Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So lately, every time I go to a store, I've been seeing those cute picture frames that have the shaker stuff in it, like sequins or whatever. So I decided to try to make my own by using products from the Dollar Tree. So the main thing that I am using is those cute picture frames that recently popped up in Dollar Tree. The ones that say Dream is what I want to use. Then I have the Fix All glue, or you can use any glue of your choice. Those clips that you can find also in Dollar Tree. And sequins of your choice. I was looking for a certain color, but I didn't have it in my stash and I didn't want to buy any. So I just pulled out all the sequins that I have, and I guess I'm just going to go with a rainbow color scheme. So mainly what you're going to do is open up the frames, of course, take all the plastic off. Look at me bumping the camera. You can use anything you want inside of these though. It doesn't have to be sequins. I just think this was a super cute idea for some decor, even for a tween's bedroom, a teen, or wherever you want to put it. So you want to make sure that the words are lined up together like that. And then you take whatever items you want to put on the inside. You can use fake rose petals. You can put sand, you can put sequins, beads, whatever you want to put in here. It's your choice, but I decided I wanted to use the sequins because that's what I've been seeing in the stores. So here's my rainbow colors. Because it said Dream, I kind of wanted to go with the relax like color. I wanted blues and just whites and silvers, but hey, I'm just doing this to show you guys what I'm doing. I may try to do another one later. So I added all the sequins, and I'm going to go around and put the glue on the edge of the frame. This is definitely trial and error because I think what I did was, it doesn't look like it, but I think I used a little too much glue. I put like a thick layer on, and so when I'm closing the frame, once it was dry, some of the sequins kind of got stuck in the corners. You'll see at the end. It's still cute, nothing wrong or anything like that, but just be careful with how much glue you put on, because once you push it down like this, the glue seeps on the inside just a little bit, and the sequins or your items that you put in there can get stuck. So now I'm just going to put the clips on so that I can let it dry for a while. And I'm going to try to make sure I keep bumping the camera. Make sure to press it down so that I don't have any gaps. And then I'm just going to let that dry for a while. And now I'm back, and look at those little toes up there. And there we have it. Now you see what I mean? Some of the sequins got stuck around. I think it still looks okay. This was my first time making this, so like I said, trial and error, but I think it looks okay. I love the way the rainbow color actually came out. I think it's really cute. I could have actually added more sequins in there, so it could have been a lot more, but for now I think it came out pretty cute. My daughter actually liked it. She came in and seen what I was doing, and so she claimed it already, so it's hers, but I think it's cute. And there we have it, a simple DIY. Look at that leg. Look at that baby's leg. A simple DIY project that you can make using your own stuff from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.